Alright you guys, so in today's video, as you can see, my hair is literally damaged, brittle. It was my bright idea to bleach my hair 2 times in one day, which wasn't my brightest moment, but so now here we are, damaged curls and all. So I decided I want to try the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment and the balancing moisturizer. I've seen a lot of videos about this on YouTube and it looked like it worked for a lot of people, so I was like, let me give it a try. I guess I have nothing else to lose. Using a t-shirt to pat my hair dry since you're not really supposed to use towels. I'm gonna leave my hair a little damp just to follow the instructions. So then I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections just so I can make sure the product gets evenly distributed all throughout my hair. So the first part is the serious care and protection, the step 1. It's like a liquid and you're supposed to put it all throughout your hair. It's kind of hard to see since it's really watery. It does smell kind of weird, but I mean, it is a chemical, so yeah, I'm just gonna put this all throughout my hair. It's just to finger rake it in, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. Part is supposed to be the main part that is helping your hair and helping your damage. So this is like the protein part of the treatment, which protein is really strong, so that's why I'm kind of scared to do this because I'm not really sure how my hair is going to react, especially since I just bleached it 2 times. But yeah, here we are. And once it's all throughout, you're supposed to use a blow dryer on your hair, medium heat, and you're supposed to dry the product onto your hair. So I saw some videos who were scrunching their hair to help like encourage the curls, so that's what I did. It was just scrunching my hair while using the blow dryer. And you're supposed to let this dry completely. So you're supposed to let this dry completely on your hair to where your hair is like stiff. And it honestly dried pretty fast. It took like 5 minutes for it to dry. Alright, so as you guys can see, my hair is like literally stiff and it's dry, so now I'm going to go rinse it out and do part 2. So now my hair is all rinsed out, and make sure to rinse it thoroughly. So here's part 2. This is the balancing moisturizer. It's supposed to bring back the moisture, the shine, and it's literally like a deep conditioner. It didn't have a weird smell or anything, so I'm just going to rake this all throughout my hair and just let it sit for 2 minutes. And then just let it sit for 2 minutes and then rinse it out. And I was really focusing on the front, so those were the most damaged pieces. Okay, this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed it and did my curly hair routine, and my curls are back. You guys, I was so happy because I was honestly really stressed out because I thought like my hair was done for. I thought I was gonna have to like, I don't know, do a big chop or something because I was terrified. But yeah, it actually really worked. My hair is way more defined than it was in the beginning, and it feels way healthier. Like my hair was literally brittle and I felt like it was gonna break any second. And as you guys can see, like even my roots are very curly, so I'm very happy about this. I definitely recommend this. Don't use it too often though. It says to use like once a month, but I probably won't even do that often. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.